Alright, you ready, Lydia?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Alright guys, so right now we're going to local golf course. Me and Lydia are going to fish it. You ready, Lydia?
Yeah. I haven't gone in so long. You fish every day. What you using?
A little crawdad. What you using?
Just a torpedo bait.
Nice.
Starting off, then probably gonna go to the deep.
Got your big bluegill on?
But it looks so nice in the water.
Does?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
See that?
That looks real. Why don't you pull it up and show the fans? Look at that realistic bluegill right there.
It's got webbing in it so that it won't break easily or rip.
That guy chunked it. Want to catch something on it?
Yeah?
Yeah?
That'd be awesome.
You alright?
Yeah, I found something.
What is it?
Little swim bait.
Oh yeah, that's mine.
Really?
Yeah, I put it in there a while ago.
You want it?
No.
No?
No. What's that?
Think you're gonna catch something with that?
I don't know, I'll see. Switch into a Senko. Lydia, what do you got on?
That's square, but I want to like a neon yellow with black.
Nice. Looks good. Shoot. Scared me. It's a fish. Dude, scared me so bad. Oh, there's one. Oh, got one. Oh, got one. Oh, it came off. Oh, man. I had one. Shoot. There's one. He came back. He came back for it. There we go. There we go. Oh, shoot. Oh. It's a good one. It's a good one. Oh, oh! No, he just... Oh, man. Oh. Broke me off. One just hit it.
Really?
Yeah. See if I can get him. Come on. Come on, fishy. Oh, what? Well, there goes my torpedo bay, I guess. That was weird. Alright guys, using the Whopper Plopper size 90 perch color. Pretty dark. It's about like 7:45. We'll try some top water. Hi, Mommy.